CPA marketing for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to share a free CPA marketing strategy, and literally this strategy works. So I'm not going to waste the time. Let's get started the video. But before I'm going to start this video, make sure you guys must subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So first step is you guys came to Cpagrip, and we're gonna go and promote Cpagrip offers, and we're gonna do CPA marketing. And a lot of you know Cpagrip is one of the biggest platform right now in the CPA marketing industry. And if you guys are beginners, so I highly suggest you guys must create a Cpagrip account, because your account will be created instantly and your account will be approved instantly. If you create any other account from the different CPA marketing platform, it will take a lot of time to approve your account, and a lot of the times beginners account does not approve from different CPA marketing platforms. Okay, so Cpagrip is very good for especially for beginners. So what you guys can do, simply click register, sign up all your details, and your account will be created instantly. So I have my account, I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see my offers tab, and these are few, like you guys can see filters, country filter or category, stats, and search. So you guys can select any country. So I'm normally go with like English countries, United States first, and let's looking for the highest payout. And you guys can see the highest payout is like $2.44, and you guys can see this is get your Dove soap product now. So I'm gonna click this, and you guys can see this is a whole Dove related, all the like air conditioner and shampoo and cream and all this stuff. And I'm going to show you how we're going to promote, and you guys can see $2.44 in average payout we will get. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go and promote this offer, and it's a simple offer. If anyone add their email, means it's whole registration form like first name, last name, or email, and this kind of stuff. If anyone added all these things, we will generate $2.44 in average registration. So it's a simple, it's not really hard, to be honest. I'm going to show you how we're going to promote with completely free traffic method and highly quality and targeted traffic method. I'm going to show you. So first, copy that link and save in your notepad. So we close this, and our next step is we go to this website. It's called beacons.ai. I am already logged in this website because I show you this website multiple times, so now a lot of you guys know about beacons.ai. If you guys don't know, so this is a very simple basic landing page builder, very simple and basic, and it's completely free for beginners. Okay, it's completely free, so I am also using a free version right now. So once you log in first time, you guys can see this same page. Once you log in first time, you guys can see the same page, and it's super customizable, and there's a lot of features in free plan. So first, you guys can see this is the header, and this is the header. So you guys can, I'm gonna click this, and I'm gonna show you, okay, in a second, because a lot of new viewers are watching, they don't know. So you will very easily able to change the image. So I am using only white image. If you scroll down, so these are the shapes you guys can very easily change. So these are the text color, you guys can change from the text color, outline color. You guys can see I added only Dove. You guys can also change anything else. For example, I'm going to remove this, and they will automatically remove, right? So I'm going to go with like Dove. You guys can add your bio, like locations, scroll down. So there's a bunch of stuff. Literally, you go to beacons.ai and explore yourself. Okay, so I'm going to scroll all the way up, and I'm going to give you small overview again. One more important thing is like this background. If you click on the designs, and you will again very easily able to change these backgrounds, and it's super customizable. There is a lot of features beacons.ai provides you in free plan, literally in free plan, audience and earnings. There is a lot of features, so I'm not going to show you all the things. I'm not going to go into the depth. You guys go and explore this landing page builder. So I'm going to show you the main things. So once you added your header is important. Second thing is we're going to click on add block, and you guys can see they provide you a lot of stuff. So what do we need? We need links. So I'm going to click on the link. So now you guys can see the layout. We are looking for, there is a lot of layouts. You guys can see grid layout and large image layout, but I'm gonna go with like classic one because this is a really great. And scroll a little bit up, and you guys can see add a new link, and I'm gonna name my my link. So before I'm gonna name it, I'm gonna add my URL, because right now I have available, and now I'm gonna add my name of my link. So I'm gonna paste here like win free Dove pack, and if you close this, and you will see this is automatically saved. Okay, and you will also able to change the button names and fonts. How you guys can, if you added this button, and this is our link, to be honest. If you click this, go to the designs, and you guys can see customize. From here you will very easily able to change, for example, transparency. You guys can see it's a little bit transparent. If you go with like 73, it's more transparent, but I'm gonna go with like 0% transparency. And if you scroll down, there is a lot of stuff. So again, I'm not gonna go into the depth. You guys go and explore yourself. So we go back, and you guys can see this is our main link, beacons.ai slash skin cares. You guys can also able to change this link if you want. I'm going to show you how. If you click on the menus and go to the settings, and you guys can see there is your username. You will very easily change your username from here. Okay, so I'm not going to change. I'm going to go back to link in bio, and I'm going to copy that link, and now I'm going to show you how we're going to promote this link with completely free way. So I'm going to show you 3 ways, 3 websites to promote this CPA offer. So let's go to the first website. So the first website is called pinterest.com. so I know a lot of people know about Pinterest, and I'm going to show you how we're going to promote. So very easy and simple strategy. I think very few people know about this. So you click on the search, and I'm going to click on the Dove, and this is the product we are promoting. So I'm going to click Dove, and this is not showing us, so give me a second. So there you go, now it starts showing, and you guys can see there is the main page of Dove. Click this, and this is a verified page. You guys can see it's not a lot of followers, to be honest, 17,000, but this page is getting 10 million plus monthly views. It's a lot of views, to be honest. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the followers first, and you guys can see there is a lot of followers, and there is a lot of female followers, to be honest. And I'm going to open these followers in a new tab like this, and if you scroll down, you will find a lot of followers like this. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We go to these profiles, and we're going to do 2 things. First, I'm going to follow this profile, and second, I'm going to click on the message, and I'm going to send a message here. I'm going to copy and paste my message. You guys can see this is our message: win a free Dove pack. And if you scroll down, if you want to win a free Dove pack, then click the link and submit your details to win a full Dove pack. This offer only available for next 65 minutes. Hurry up. And here is my beacons.ai link. Okay, click here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click send. Okay, I'm gonna do exactly same thing with this website, with this profile. Click this, Control+V. You guys can create your message one time and send that message again and again to everyone. And what I suggest, you guys must create 2 or 3 different Pinterest accounts and start sending message to at least 300 to 500 people per day. So I know it's not very easy, it's hard, but it's a simple process. You guys must do hard work to start sending message, and these are real people. Literally, these are all real people. So this is the first method. Let's go. I'm going to show you the second method right now. So the second method is, you guys came to Instagram. Right now I am not logging in my account. I'm going to show you quickly what you guys can do. You go to Instagram and click on the search icon and type Dove, and go to the main Dove profile, and you will find like hundreds and thousands of followers Dove brand have. So click on the followers, and what you guys can do, like literally go to the followers profile and start sending the message. You will see the followers profile, and you can click on the message, and you will start sending the same exact message which we send to the Pinterest people. And one thing is, keep in mind, again, you guys create 2 or 3 different Instagram accounts and start sending message, at least 300 to 500 message every single day. And again, I told you it's a simple method, but it's not very easy. You guys must do hard work to sending message, and it's not really hard, to be honest. You guys create a message one time and just copy and paste to every single person. So this is the second method. I'm going to show you the third method. Let's go. Third method is, you guys came to YouTube and type makeup tutorial USA or skincare tutorial, or like related to girls type of stuff. I don't know what normally girls type. I just understand makeup tutorial USA. I type this and I click on the filters, and I go to this week. So these are all new videos, and I'm going to show you how we're going to promote our CPA affiliate offers. Okay, so what you guys can see, open in a new tab, and again I'm going to open in a new tab, this video and this video also, and scroll down a little bit, and you guys can see there's a lot of videos, to be honest. I also watch this video to check few things. So I'm going to click on this. So there's a lot of ads. I'm going to close this. What I'm going to do, if you scroll down, and I'm going to show you how we're going to promote. So you guys can see these are all the comments, right? So I'm going to click sort, and I am looking for the newest comment, like 20 hours ago, 23 hours ago, 23 hours ago. What we're gonna do is we're gonna reply them. So I'm gonna paste that exactly same reply. Give me a second. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna Control+V, and I'm gonna paste reply them. So to be honest, these are very targeted people. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reply this, and you know what will happen next? These people get a notification like this: someone reply on your comment. People will click and they will see your reply, and they will must be click on your link. And make sure you got your channel name must be something else, because my channel name is Fitness Motivation. It's not a very good name for this strategy. You guys must use something Dove or skincare beauty related kind of channel name, and start replying. If you go to the next video, if you scroll down, do exactly same thing. You guys can see 121 comments. Click this. I'm gonna go with like the newest one, and you guys again start replying as much people as possible. Do exactly same thing with this one, exactly same with this one. So this account have a lot of comments, to be honest. If you click newest and exactly do the same one, like click this, Control+V, copy that, create that message one time. You guys can create any other message if you want. You guys can create any kind of messages and start replying to these people. And again, the more reply you are giving to these people, the more chances, the more money you will able to make. Okay, so there are 3 methods I showed you. You guys can make a lot of money using these 3 organic and free traffic methods. Okay, with this CPA marketing method, you will definitely able to make money, but this is a simple method, but this is not easy method. You guys must reply a lot of people. You guys must do hard work, because I told you in a lot of my videos, like every free traffic method works, but every free traffic method takes time. So you guys must do hard work and reply as much people as possible, and then I definitely say, I guarantee you will able to make money with CPA marketing. Okay, but you guys must do hard work, because this is completely free traffic method. You are making money with completely free way. You are not spending any money. Okay, and if you're a person who want to make money online on autopilot, then make sure watch this video.